Jai Shri Ram to everyone. I am Samprita Kulkarni from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we are going to learn error handling in Opengl. Firstly, we will see the overview. Error handling in Opengl is a crucial for debugging and ensuring your graphics applications run smoothly. Opengl itself does not have built-in exception handlings like some programming languages or APIs have, but it provides a mechanism to check the errors and handle them appropriately. And importance of error handling in Opengl. First one is robustness, ensuring that Opengl applications can handle unexpected situations without crashing. And second one is reliability, making sure that applications behave correctly under all conditions, providing a consistent experience for users. And some common source of errors are listed below. Firstly, invalid operations. Invalid operations means attempting to perform operations that are not allowed in that current state or context. Second one is incorrect values, providing values that are out of range or otherwise inappropriate for the given function or operation. Third one, shader complications and linking errors. Errors that occurs during the shades or linking of shades programs, often due to syntax errors, use of GLSL. Error states and codes. Whenever an error occurs, then the Opengl maintains an error state, which is set when an error is occurred. Errors are reported using specific codes, which can be queried using the glgetError function. And next topic is error query mechanism. The glgetError function returns the current error code and clears the error state. If multiple errors occur, glgetError should be called repeatedly and returns GL number of error. And common error codes are listed here. GL invalid enum. It will indicate that an unacceptable value is specified for an enumerated argument. GL invalid value. It is a numeric argument is out of range. And third one, GL invalid operation. The specified operation is not allowed in the current state. This is the error code, GL invalid operation. And next one is GL stack overflow. This command would cause a stack overflow, as you know all that. GL stack underflow, this command would cause a stack underflow. And GL out of memory, there is not enough memory left to execute that command. These are common error codes. Basic error handling with glgetError function. It is a Opengl function. Firstly, introduction. glgetError is the primary mechanism for error checking in Opengl. And the functionality of glgetError is it checks for errors and returns an error code if any Opengl operation caused an error. Return values. It returns GL number of error if number of errors have occurred. Example, and it is the syntax of the glgetError. Firstly, GL enum error, glgetError. If error occurred, then it will return the GL error number. And this is the example for invalid number, invalid value, invalid operation, stack overflow, slack underflow, GL out of memory. This we are seen in the previous slide. And second Opengl error handling method is utility function for error checking. Firstly, creating a utility function. It simplifies the error checking by centralizing it in one function. So the benefits is easier to maintain, reuse, and ensures consistent error handling. So example code is here. Again, it will handle the same errors like GL invalid enum, GL invalid value, and invalid operation, and stack overflow, stack underflow. Oh, all these errors handled by this utility function. And the syntax is like this for the utility function. Integration, firstly it will call the utility function after each OpenGL function called during development. And example uses means one example is listed below. GL clear, GL color buffer bit, and check error GL clear. It is the utility function. It will check the error is happening or not. Debug output in OpenGL 4.3 plus. It is also a method to handle the errors in OpenGL. Firstly, introduction. OpenGL 4.3 introduced to a debug output feature for more detailed error and performance in messages, and enabling debug output. It must be enabled to use this in future. Synchronize and versus asynchronous. GL debug output synchronizes and ensures messages are processed immediately. Example code is here. GL enable GL debug output. GL enable GL debug output synchronous. Synchronous means it ensures the messages are processed immediately. Debug callback function. Creating a callback function handles messages from the debug output. Registering the callback. Second step is registering the callback. Register the callback function with the OpenGL to receive the debug messages. And registering this callback function or creating this callback functions have some benefits. Those are provides detailed information about errors, performance warnings, and other debug messages. And this is the example code. You can refer it. Error checking in shaders. Shader compilation errors. These are the common errors during shader compilation can be detected and reported. Checking compilation status. Use GL get shader IV and GL get shader info log to check and retrieve error logs. Firstly, we have to create a shader, and secondly, we have to take the source of the shader, and we will compile the shader. If it is giving any error, it will detect GL get shader IV, and it will display the error shader compilation is failed. Error checking in programs. Program linking errors. These are the common errors during program linking can be detected and reported. Checking link status. Use GL get program IV and GL get program info log to check and retrieve the error logs. Here also the same procedure is going on, like we are creating the program and attaching the shader, and it will check the where is the error, and error is displayed as program linking is failed. Thank you.